Guys, I've been out here trying to get this bird. I done had this bird put the whoopie doop on me. And let me tell you what, when everything work out, y'all, you can't beat it. God knows. And it don't always work out. Sometimes there's failure. And I think I enjoy the failure because that makes the, whenever you do get a chance to knock an old bird in the head, it makes it worthwhile. It really, really, really makes it worthwhile. And I just thank the Lord for this live action bird I got right here that came right in on top of me. I can't stop the flop. It's right here, y'all. I just heard that bird. This time, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set up and I'm not gonna move. I just heard that bird. Now he sound like he's a little bit away. I'm gonna drop in the woods. We're gonna try to get this bird this morning. Live action, man, live action. Oh yeah, I just heard him. So what I end up doing, guys, is about every 30 minutes, I'm making a set about every 30 minutes, and then I would move a little bit deeper and I would move right. Move a little deeper and move right. And I would just do that, and every time I sit, I would sit down for about 30, 45 minutes and just hang tight, call a little bit, easy calling, and just move right and try to swing with the way that I think the bird was going. If I was doing good, it was on accident. Live action. else real cool. I'm walking up here to go look in this private field to see if he's in the field or with any hens. I didn't see anything, so I dropped back and went back to my side of the property. Now right here is where I was ready to go home. I didn't know what to do. The turkey wasn't saying anything. I'm going back to where I had first called early this morning, where I heard him at, where I first started calling, and I was gonna go home. I was gonna walk through the middle of the field right there and go home. And I said, you know what? If you go through that field, if there's anything around, it's going to see. You see how bright and light that field is. I said, you know what? I'm gonna cut down through the woods and I'm going right back to where I started at this morning. Y'all just watch. When I got to where I started at, I seen a turkey. I think it was a hen, but I seen a turkey out in the field in front of me. So I went on ahead and got set up and got beside a pine tree. So y'all are going to see me wait for the hen to move to the left, and I'm going to turn around to try to get an eye on this gobbler. But when I'm going to do that, I'm also going to cut the GoPro on, which you already see the GoPro is running. So what I actually did is cut the GoPro off when I was shooting. Anyways, that's exactly what happens. Y'all watch this. And you'll see the gobbler in full strut just for a quick second right behind me. I tried to slow it down a little bit for y'all, or at least zoom in. Oh man, guys, y'all ain't gonna believe this crap. Oh, y'all ain't gonna believe this crap here. Oh man, I had them right on top of me. They were right on top of me, dude. They were right on top of me, man. Oh, man, they was right on top of me. They was right on top of me. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Oh, thank you, Lord. God, no. Oh, man. Guys, I got them this morning. Oh, Lord, they come right in on top of me. Oh, they came right in on top of me. The camera was on, but it was going the wrong way. There was a hen in the field, and these birds came right in behind me. Now, I had to shoot. I had to shoot that 3.5 with one hand. One hand, man. Oh, thank you, Lord. Oh, thank you, Lord. God, no. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Oh, Lord, have mercy. I had just got a phone call last night. Said my cousin, I don't know what happened, but he ain't with us no more. And I think no lie, today was his day. Can't stop the flop. Yes, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Ah, thank you, Lord. Oh, guys, I've been out here trying to get this bird. I done had this bird put the whoopie doop on me, and let me tell you what. When everything work out, y'all, you can't beat it. God knows. And it don't always work out. Sometimes there's failure. And I think I enjoy the failure, because that makes whenever you do get a chance to knock an old bird in the head, it makes it worthwhile. It really, really, really makes it worthwhile. And I just thank the Lord for this live action bird I got right here that came right in on top of me. I can't stop the flop. It's right here, y'all. God no. Y'all check out this joker right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. 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 Oh, look at the spurs on that joker. God knows. Look at the spurs. Look at the spurs on that bird. Look at that. God knows. Oh, man. God knows, y'all. Oh, this is the bird I've been hearing. I don't even know how. It's Catfish here from the Live Action Nation, Tri-City Bigger Boys. Live action, this is how we get down, guys. This is how we do it. Tri-City Bigger Boys, professionals. I'm a PH. Yes, sir. A whole bunch of live action right here. Thank you, Lord. God knows. I hunted the whole property. Well, I'll tell you about it. I hunted probably half of the property. And I had to take my time. I really had to take my time and not rush. And that's what I told myself earlier. Just have patience, Catfish. Have patience. The birds came right in on me, guys. God knows. Oh, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Oh, Lord. This is nice. Oh. How long is he, T-Bird?
From the tip of the snoot to the tail is 48 and a half.
48 and a half. Now, you said that's snoot to tail?
Yeah.
Snoot to tail. Now, what's a snoot?
It's this little guy right here. A little flappy doohickey.
Bird, let's hang this thing up and let's take a picture, man.
All right.
God knows, Bird. Live action, Bird. Hey, look, Bird. Hey, look. Thank you for coming to the house.
Yeah, man.
Look, guys. Riverside Hunting Club. Tri-City Bigger Boys. Bird, Catfish. We've been out hunting this morning. Bird, you had some birds around you.
Yep.
This bird right here came off the limb and didn't say anything after he came off the limb. I hunted the area, and Bird, I'm gonna tell you, what thing wrong? Is he got hair on the end? Or?
Yeah. We got hair on it.
Almost like little feathers, ain't it?
All the way down, yeah. It's like a 4-inch snoot right there.
And Bird, I'm gonna tell you something. Mr. Dark from Alabama, that's what he told me when I killed the first turkey.
Yeah, okay.
And I didn't, of course, he was just telling me, you know, schooling me. And Mr. Dark from Alabama, he said, Catfish, if you start calling in one area, swing back around that area in about an hour or so.
Yeah.
See what happens and see if he's coming. I started calling in that area. It was still, it won't dark,
yeah,
but it won't light.
Yeah, okay.
And I swung around. I think I was swinging with the bird.
Okay.
Cause I heard the bird moving right.
Okay. So you were kind of following him around.
And I followed the bird,
back.
and I guess I cut him and went in a little bit and back around before he got in.
Nice. Okay.
And the bird come right behind me with a hen. Not only was he with a hen, it was a hen out a little bit farther. I could see the white head pop up. That's what made me sit down.
Oh, okay.
And I said, well, if it's a hen there, let me just call because I don't know where the gobbler's at.
Yeah.
And so I just with that one you gave me, with that push pull you gave me. Yep.
Man, that's a pretty bird.
Spread that end of it out.
Look at the camera.
We got a 10-inch beer. We just measured it. Inch and a quarter, inch and an eighth, inch and a quarter spurs.
I'm gonna take a crazy picture like Dog Draft did. Put the beard right here. Did I show you the picture?
No, you didn't show
I didn't show you. I gotta
it.
show you the picture of Dog Draft being silly. And dang Bird, man, daggone Bird.
Hey man, it was right as I was like walking in too that I walked in right down, coming up to the valley down there in the big cut going back to the back, and is when they started firing up.
Ooh,
And so I just ducked into the woods real quick.
I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you about that too. Hey guys, we're gonna cut the camera off because we ain't telling no secrets on camera. So I'll see you
In the woods.
See you in the woods, guys.
Bird.